Hey class, this is Sir Japes and you're listening to the Sunnyside Podcast, ang podcast para sa mga estudyanteng Pilipino. Welcome to another episode. Ang ating scrambled thought na bibigyang liwanag is ito, very common na katanungan to ng mga estudyante. Ang daming nagtatanong, Sir, kailan ba ako mag-exam for college? Kailan ba ako mag-exam for college scholarship? Yan. So yung dalawang bagay na yan. Ito yung tandaan nyo, kung mag-a-apply kayo pagdating sa mga big universities, kailangan pinaghahandaan siya kasi sobrang daming applicants. And that's, of course, the way of the schools, the universities, to handle, di ba? Yung ganito karaming volume ng estudyante. And to give you some numbers, ang pinakamaraming applicants usually is sa PUP and UP. So at least sa PUP, recently, around 125,000 ang nag-apply. And normally, ang pumapasa dyan, nasa 10,000 to 12,000. So, sabi mo ng, nasa 10%, ganyan, di ba, ang passing rate for PUP. And then, the other one is for UP, malaki din ang volume ng applicants dyan. Yung nagdaang UPCAT, last year, roughly 135,000 ang applicants. And out of that, 18,000 lang ang pumasa, which is 13%. But actually, this 13% is 6% higher than the previous year. So, it means tumaas ang passing rate ng UPCAT.